Hello students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine. So this is your SST teacher Hina, and here I am with chapter 7, and this will be your video number 2. Okay, chapter number 7, our natural resources, and this is video number 2. So today's topic which we'll be discussing over here, it is forest resources and types, how many types of forest are present. Okay, so in previous class we were discussing about natural resources and its types. So you all know what are the two types of natural resources. One, it is exhaustible, and the other one, it is inexhaustible. Whereas you can say exhaustible is also known as non-renewable resources, and inexhaustible is also known as renewable resources. Okay, so here we will be discussing on our next topic, that is forest resources. Now they are also getting from nature only. These forests, we are getting this from our nature only. So we will discuss here. First of all, okay, moving to our next slide. Here you can see. Yes. So here you can see this is the topic, forest resources. First of all, let us define what is what is a forest. So a forest is a large area of land thickly covered with trees. You must have seen also how the forests look like. You must have seen in the zoo also, or you can go in a large space area where lot of trees are there, only and only trees are there. So they are covering a very large area. So that is known as your forest, where many number of trees are present. Okay, it is an important natural resource. Forest is a important natural resource. It is important for wildlife also. Many animals also, you must have seen, their home is in the forest and only. So they are dominated, these forests are dominated with tall and small trees. Okay, as for example, you have seen here, this is the example, the picture over here, it has been posted here. So you can see long trees are there, only everywhere you can see here trees are planted over there. So yes, they are very valuable also, very important for us also. They provide us oxygen, which is the most valuable thing. They provide us oxygen, food, fruits, then many valuable medicines also it is present. From the forest we get all the important trees, medicinal trees, then making different products such as furniture. In your house also, whatever furniture is present, with the help of forest only, the trees it has been made. Then paper, it is made with the help of forest trees. So these are the things. They, as you know, that it is a natural resource and also it is a renewable resource. Okay, it is a renewable resource also, because these trees can again be grown up also. We should plant more and more trees, you know this. It keeps the atmosphere fresh and clean and gives us oxygen also. So forests cover a large area where trees grows very close to each other. Yes, the forest where it covers a large area. It covers a large area where they grow very close to each other. Here also you can see in the picture, here the trees, here the trees which are grown here, they're so close. One is here, then the other is there. So they are in a systematic way all. Okay, so here they are also used for other purposes such as cooking, for burning purpose, cooking the food. trees are the trees are used for it also. Then giving shelter to the animals, to the birds. The birds make their nest, their shelter on the trees in the forest. Animals houses are also built up and present in the forest only. So these are the valuable things which is present in forest, the use of forest. So let's move to types of forest. How many types of forest are present? So there are these types of forest you can see here. Just a minute. So here types of forest are present. So basically there are 5 types of forest. Okay, 5 types of forest which is present in your book also. Okay, so here we will discuss one by one in this video. In this video I have discussed about two types of forest, that is your evergreen and deciduous. Okay, so just remember this. So there are total 5 types of forest. The first one is your evergreen forest. Evergreen forest. Second one is your deciduous forest. Third one is your thorny and scrub forest. Then fourth one is your mountain forest. Fifth one is your tidal forest. So these are the 5 types of forest. Now moving on, we will discuss on each and every type of forest. So let's move to our first type of forest, that is your evergreen forest. So this is your first type of forest. Here you can see. Okay, this is your evergreen forest. From the word only evergreen, it resembles that the particular area, the particular forest is always evergreen, means growth of trees is every year, every time. Okay, that particular place is always evergreen. Okay, so here just below you see first the picture of evergreen forest. Here you can see so many tall small trees are present. All the green leaves are also fluttering, you can see, so beautiful. Now what is evergreen? Evergreen, green throughout the year. Here the forest, the trees are grown throughout the year. Okay, throughout the year. Then second point it is that here the trees, and they are dense forest. These forests are very dense, means lot of trees are present and receive heavy rainfall also. So if they are receiving good quantity of water, then growth will be also very good and it will be every time evergreen only. So they have a dense forest and receive heavy rainfall. Now what are the parts, which are the parts where evergreen forests are present? So firstly it is present in Western Ghat. So here in the map also Western Ghat, this is your Western Ghat, this side, this green color here resembles your Western Ghat. Then it is coming your hills of northeast. It is also, these evergreen forests are also present in the northeast area of the western, sorry, hills of northeast. Okay, now next it is present in Andaman Nicobar Islands also. As you have heard in previous chapter also, we have studied about Andaman, that it's a very beautiful place. It is surrounded by trees, forest. Okay, so in Andaman Islands also that particular forest are evergreen forest. So here is your Andaman, this is your Andaman. You can see here green color, this particular color, green color, dark green is your evergreen forest. Okay, this side you can see your evergreen forest. Andaman and Nicobar also covers this evergreen forest. So here evergreen forest, some of the example of evergreen forest are rosewood, ebony, mahogany. These are the trees which are present in evergreen forest and they are very valuable also. So let's move to our next type of forest, that is deciduous. You can see here, this is the second type of forest which is called deciduous forest. You can see the forest is looking so beautiful over here, this one. Okay, so now this forest is also known as monsoon forest. Deciduous forest is also known as monsoon forest. Now here the trees, they shed their leaves. They shed their leaf. The trees shed their leaves. Shed their leaves means at one moment and at one time. The moment one comes when the leaves are shedded, when the leaves fall down from the trees. they get dry and just fall down. Okay, here shedding leaf in dry season. Here you can see they shed their leaves during dry season. Okay, and then again new leaves comes out. The trees here shed their leaves every year in the dry season. Okay, and here some of the examples of this forest is, some of the trees you can say, that is teak, sal, mahua, sandalwood. Sandalwood is very valuable tree. Okay, so these are the particular trees which are present in deciduous forest, and in which region they are grown. These forests are particularly present in Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. You can see here Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, UP, MP, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So these are the places where deciduous forests are found. And sandalwood is generally found in Karnataka. Okay, sandalwood is a tree which is particularly found in Karnataka, and also very valuable tree also. It comes in a very valuable tree and costly also. It is a means pricely type of tree it is. So yes, this is your types of two types of forest we have discussed over here. In the next chapter, the rest of the types are still left. I think three types, yes, three types of forest are still left, so we will be discussing in next video. So till then, okay, I hope you must have understood. And yes, please watch the video and just understand what the things are given here. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.